EssProM EPM Simplified.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials. In this video we're going to walk through how to integrate NetSuite Planning and Budgeting with Power BI using REST API. If you're looking to visualize and analyze your budgeting and planning data from NetSuite, you're in the right place. So, what is Power BI REST API? The Power BI REST API is a web service from Microsoft that allows you to interact with the Power BI service programmatically. Think of the REST API as a bridge for controlling and customizing Power BI from your applications, scripts, and workflows. You use it to push data into Power BI, manage your reports and dashboards, and embed them in your apps. To integrate NSPB with Power BI, we have used the Postman REST client as an intermediate tool. To know more about Postman REST client, click on the link given in the description. Log into your planning application and copy the service URL from the URL address bar. This URL shall be used later to form the URL to create a new collection for authorization on the Postman REST client. The URL to export data slices is formed in the following syntax and shall look something similar to this. You can also refer to docs.oracle.com to know more about using REST APIs. Create a new collection on Postman REST client. To create a new collection, click on Create New Collection and then select Blank Collection. Provide a name and select Add a Request. Then select Post and provide the URL. Select authorization type as Basic Auth and provide the username and password for the NSPB application. In the body, provide the POV and dimension names that are to be used for viewing the data on Power BI. Refer to the structure from docs.oracle.com and provide the required level 0 members and paste the code. Click on Send. Now we can view the data that is to be pushed in Power BI. Pushing data in Power BI using Power Query Editor. Go to Power BI and click on Transform Data. Then select Blank Query from the New Source dropdown. Select Advanced Editor and paste the code. Stay tuned for the next part to know about the structure of the code used in Power BI to transform data. Stay tuned for part 2. For more information reach out to us at support@essprom.com. Thanks for watching.